Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust DRZ400 suspension. First, let's understand sag, which is crucial for proper handling. Static sag is the suspension compression from the bike's weight alone. Rider sag includes your weight. You'll need a friend and a tape measure. Measure from the axle to a fixed point on the fender. Aim for about 95 to 100 millimeters of total rider sag for a balanced feel. This ensures your bike reacts predictably on various terrains. Now let's tackle the front forks. Preload adjustment controls how much the fork springs are compressed before any weight is applied. Increasing preload makes the front suspension feel stiffer, while decreasing it softens the ride. You'll typically find the preload adjusters on top of the fork caps. Use a 22mm wrench to turn them. Turn clockwise to increase preload and counterclockwise to reduce it. Make small, equal adjustments to both forks. Moving to the rear, adjusting the shock's preload is similar but uses different hardware. Rear preload directly impacts your bike's ride height and overall sag. You'll need a spanner wrench to loosen the two lock rings on the shock body. First, loosen the top lock ring. Then, turn the bottom ring to either compress or decompress the spring. Once your desired sag is set, securely tighten both lock rings against each other to prevent movement. Finally, let's talk about damping. Compression damping manages how quickly your suspension compresses when hitting bumps. Rebound damping, conversely, controls how fast it extends back to its original position. Both are crucial for stability and traction. You'll find clicker adjusters on your forks and shock, usually marked with plus and minus signs. Always start with your bike's factory recommended settings and make small, one-click adjustments, testing after each change to find your ideal feel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.